Hello, this is Rick Powers coming to you from my home office regarding introductory statistics with SALT. Okay, SALT, what is that? It is a software program that just recently became part of our textbook possibilities here with WebAssign. And somewhat interesting. Not everything works exactly the way that you would want it to on the program. So I'm going to show you what does work and just show you a little bit about how we're going to be using it in class. So I'm going to share my screen here. All right, so if we go to the assignment, and what I'm looking at here is the mastery exam. It's also for other homework problems that if you look at the actual problem, it says use SALT. So let's find out what happens when we do that. We're going to just click on this link, which says use SALT. So when I click on this link, then it says your data has been transferred from WebAssign successfully. So this data, which was out here for cell phone, how long people had their cell phones, that data has now been directly transferred into this SALT program. And you can see you have the row number and then the age of the cell phone. Those are listed down here. Now, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to construct a dot plot of the data. So then we say, well, which one of these menu choices is that going to be? Well, it's going to be charts and graphs, dot plot. And then we have to choose the variable here. We want to use age of cell phone. And there it is. There's the dot plot. It's really pretty simple, okay, once you understand how it works. And then there's also a bunch of other information, the standard deviation, the median, Q1, Q3, all this stuff. That'll come up later. But it's just very easy to get all your data and put it right in there. So then you might be thinking, well, what about like using this for a project or for other things? Is there some way to get my data, if I have my own data set, into SALT? The answer is yes, but it's not easy. So if we wanted to make that happen, we would go over here to data set and it says upload your data. Okay, well, I want to upload my data, but it says upload CSV, which means I need to put it in comma separated values. Now, if you're interested in doing this, I can make a video for how to make that work. But for most of you, that's really a lot. That's more advanced. If you can figure out how to do it or you know how to do it, that's fine. You can use something like Google Sheets. It's a great way to make that happen. But for right now, I'm just going to focus on making this work with the data sets that are already in the homework as we had here, so that it just comes directly in from WebAssign. So that works. And, best wishes on the work for this week.